In this video, I'll show you how to add transition to Instagram Reel. So in order to do that, let's first head over and then create some Reels of ourselves. So in here, let's head over and then create in here Reels. So we'll just click on this plus icon right here and click on the Reels right here. And then just select in here the Reels that you want to post. For example, let's post this one. And then after that, let's head over and then add another clip in this one by heading over and click on this right here. Click on it and you can add another reel. So by adding that, you should be able to see in here those two things you have. So here's our editor, here's our first clip, and then here's our second clip. So if you want to add transition, you can see in here this sort of icon. Head over and click on that. And then you can see in here the transition that you want to use. It can be zoom, blur, or wrap right here. And you can also see in here an animation of what that transition will look like. Once you're done with that, click on done. And then head over and click on this icon right here, which is this arrow icon. Then this will process. And then from in there, you should be able to share it on your actual profile. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.